Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you around the COPART purchase that I got just yesterday. This one is a 2005 Ford Explorer, the 80 Bauer or 80 Bauer, whatever it's called. It's the highest trim. It has 174,000 miles. I got it for $675, the winning bid. So all in all, out of the door, it was just under 1,100 bucks. It was $1,070. The car is in amazing shape despite the high mileage. It has almost brand new tires all around matching. It is in really good shape. This is a one owner car, and it was amazingly taken care of like it was a baby. So the damage, this car was salvaged because something hit the roof right here. I think shattered the windshield, so we're gonna need a new windshield. It hit the roof somehow. It hit the hood over here, and I believe it was a stick that flew off on the freeway or something, and it damaged the door. The mirror was popped out. I just popped it back in place, and the thing was good to go. Again, this is the 80 Bauer. It's a two-wheel drive. It has all the bells and whistles. It has power seats. It has the leather. It's in great shape despite the high mileage again. Everything. See, it's in a really good shape. And if you look here, it has the third row. Let me just unlock it. So I had to put in a new battery in it, so that was another 100 bucks. And again, it has the trailer hitch, which is great for pulling small trailers. Yeah, so you can get amazing deals sometimes. That's my hat. And finally, see how good of amazing shape. There's a piece of trim here missing. This seat is more worn than the actual driver's seat, which tells you that this was a family car and there was always a passenger here. Possibly a heavier passenger than the actual driver, but you never know. It has all the books, the original books. So I can do this. We'll test drive it right now in a minute here, once I can get this. I want to show you the original sticker, the window sticker with this car was, it is right here. So okay, I always like when I find these in the cars. So this is the original sticker. Okay, it has all the features here and all the specs for this car. Leather trimmed seats, heated drive passenger seat, dual climate control, steering wheel angle with audio control, 22.5 gallon fuel tank. That's giant. That's really big. Independent suspension and everything. This car originally was, before discounts, it was right here, $37,970. After a bunch of discounts right here, $34,505. This is the highest trim you could buy in 2005. So 35,000, getting it now for 1,100 bucks, it just blows my mind. The depreciation that this car went through. Granted, it has 174,000 miles, but still in such a good shape. No check engine light. You know what really sold me on this car? Let me show you under the hood, and I'll tell you why I bought this car. So what really sold me on this car was, see, this is the engine. It's a 4.6 single overhead cam. It had oil, it had coolant, it had everything. So what sold me on this car, that this car was inspected. Here in Arizona, you can check the emissions or the smog or the inspection, whatever you want to call it. So this car was inspected 3 months before the auction date, and 25 miles before the odometer. So the odometer reading on the inspection was 25 miles less than the actual one on the listing on COPART. So I was like, man, if this thing had no check engine light 25 miles ago, it must have just drove out of the out of the inspection facility, I'm sorry, and it got hit with this. So this thing must run and drive really well. And sure enough, when I went to pick it up, it was actually driving amazing. The battery was toast. I just had to put a new battery. That was $100, and now I have just the inspection fee and the registration. So all in all, great family car. It can hold trailers and it can do all kind of stuff. Brand new tires all around. It should cost me under $1,500, all said and done, after everything I want to do to it. So it's a really I'm really glad I bought this thing. It's a family vehicle. You can go anywhere with this thing, and it's a one owner. I'm really happy. If I want to sell this thing, I can sell it for $2,500 like today, but I'm really not into flipping vehicles. I want to use it and get some use out of it and put some mileage on it. Maybe when it gets to 200,000 miles, I'll sell it, but for now, it's good. So let's take it for a quick test drive, and let me show you guys how it does. Okay, keys. Fires right up. Right up. Okay, so we're gonna take off right here. Get some gas. See, it drives really well. Shifts nicely. The 5R55S transmission that they put in these vehicles and the Mustangs this era, they're known to be weak, but this one is shifting okay, and it's doing just fine. And oil pressure looks good, voltage looks good, everything is where it's supposed to be. See, so yeah, I'm very happy with it, and I like how it drives. Alright guys, so we got home safely. I hope this video was helpful, sharing some information with you. Maybe it helps you when you buy your next vehicle. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.